So what we'll look at now is an activity about noise cancelling headphones and just how they actually work. What I have here, just a PVC tube set up, a little bit like a trombone. On one side, I've got a small speaker, and this is all open so that the sound can flow all the way around and come out this side. Now that microphone which I bumped before, there we go. And on the phone, I've got a little frequency generator so I can make particular tones of music. So we'll put a reasonably high one on. We should hear both notes. But now we've got rid of the high one and we're left mostly just with the low note. And so we can filter those out. The sound is coming in. The sound is compressions and expansions of gas. That's what we're visualizing. Coming around and meeting here and coming out to us to here. All right, so that's what's happening at the moment. But when I pull the tube out, let's go and see what happens when I stretch that tube. And now, because this wave has further to go, those pressure waves are not meeting together, they're meeting out of step with each other. So rather than having high pressure sound wave meeting, they actually miss each other and cancel out. But that's only because I've got this tuned to exactly the right frequency.